Here, I'm gonna do something right. Oh my god, bro. Okay, so if I laugh, I lose. This is gonna be. Yeah, of course. Wayne isn't that? Yeah. Come on, face to face. Okay, so if I laugh, I lose. Let's go. Could I just turn like yeah? What the? I'm right here. Oh my god, what is that? Oh my, what the? What just happened? I'm gonna turn it kind of big. Was it supposed to be like this? Hello, 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 hello. Oh my goodness, what the? Come on, come on. Hello. Oh, I don't know, bro. It's too laggy. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm gonna make the screen big so you guys bigger. I said bigger. I think this is as far as I could go. So yeah, switch. Why? So I'm gonna switch up any videos because I forgot to start it right now. Oh no, 60% battery. Just wait. Funny videos. Funny videos. Oh, holy. Did I spell it right even? Bruh. Ah. Dang it. No, I did not want to TikToks. Funny videos. Yeah, funny videos. I mean, funny videos. Oh. I don't need it. Oh my. What the? Sorry, guys. I might have to pause it. I don't know what I should do. I'm not going to Google Play. Hello. If you don't respond, I know I'm not going to Chrome. I'm recording a video. Let's see. Funny videos. Funny videos. Funny video. Funny video is the same now. Funny video. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my god, that's so laggy. Oh. Let me just move it a little bit over here. Oh my goodness. Yeah. So people having a bad no. 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 No, 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 no. Yeah. Try not to laugh. Let's see. Come on.
Lost Utah Medicaid? Healthcare.gov is here for you. With the new law, 4 out of 5 customers can find a plan for $10 or less per month with financial help.
I'm gonna pause this and I'm gonna do water. I'm gonna pause it.
I have a childhood problem with that.
Okay, I paused this, so I'm gonna get some water.
You alright? Freaking bug on my car. He ain't even moving. Baby, roll down. Don't roll down my window. You want a divorce, dude? Water fountain. Beautiful bubbling water fountain. Good job. Sure. I heard you smell my face. Hello, can you go? Hello, can you go? Happy birthday, dear Grandma. Are you serious? What? Oh my God! Come here. You gonna take a bath? Are they crazy? You're about as cute as homemade sunshine. Wow, I need to give you a name. She's Sunshine. Let him eat some, King. That's so low down. scratch. Let me help you scratch.
What are you gonna do? Yeah, that wasn't smart.
Yeah, right. That's not the. All the way, please. Thank you. Go.
Okay, I laughed. So that means I'm gonna end the video here. So bye guys. I gotta do this. Wait, sorry. Could you just go back, please? Yeah. Stop. Bye guys. What's up?